Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a very quick and easy style to do with your washing gel. My hair is in a nice washing gel, but I don't really want to keep it like this for the rest of the week, although I could. But so I'm going to put it in like almost like stitch braid with some elastic bands and probably leave the back out or sometimes twist it out at night. And so yeah, just crack on. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just part my hair into a quick section. So I'm going to do just a side part. Alright, so I'm going to divide my hair into a few sections now. So probably might just divide into 3 sections. So I've got my handy spray bottle here. Just gonna spray this section. I'm gonna divide this section into 2. Okay, so got myself my favorite Queenteshna gel. So I'm just gonna grab a rubber band. And I'm just gonna put elastic bands on both of these. So I'm gonna get some more gel on my toothbrush and just add some to the edge of this one because it helps with like the strands and stuff. Like you can use edge control if you want, but I'm just gonna use Queenteshna gel. Alright, so this is what the first 2 section looks like. So as you can tell, I tried to get the parting to line up a little bit just so it looks better. So that's what I'm just gonna repeat this whole process on each section. So moving to the middle section now. I may have to do the middle section in 3. So okay guys, finally I finished. I don't know why I'm so excited, but it's a little bit time consuming. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm gonna get my spray bottle a little bit because my hair keeps drying. I'm gonna add a little bit Eco Styler as well, just so they can lay flat. So I'm just adding some Eco Styler just on the top section, and I'm just gonna twist it around each section, and then the last one, just wrap it around. That's it really, and then I'm just gonna use elastic band. Tight. So I think I actually may play around with the front section a little bit, I don't know. Alright, so let me get the 3 sections. Alright, so I'm literally just making this up as I go along, just so you guys know. So I think the front section, I might just join these 3 sections here. This section here now that I've just banded, I'm going to split that into 2 equal sections, just like this, and then I'm going to attach one to this side and then one to that side. So, and then I'm going to do the same thing on this way. Give it a nice little tug. Now I feel like the Queenteshna gel really helps at the roots because it's not as tight. Well, I try to not to do them tight at all because my head can't handle tightness, honestly. So guys, we are finished. Alright, let's continue with the rest of the style. The product that I had in my hair previously was the curls hair gel, so I'm going to put that a little bit of that in there just to kind of define the curls a little bit more. Not putting a lot, just enough. Alright, so this is the finished result. And of course you can do this hair up in like a bun or like 2 space buns, or you can kind of just play around with it how you want it. So this is what my hair looks like in a high puff. It's actually pretty cute in a puff. I think I might wear it in a puff actually. If you don't mind having a lot of elastic bands, then this is a cute hairdo for you to rock. Let me know in the comment section if you would rock this style, or is it too much hassle for you, you know, with all these rubber bands and stuff like that. And yeah, also what videos do you want to see from me next? I would really appreciate some feedback, so do comment below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button as well. And as usual, I will catch you in my next video. Bye.